Hey guys, and welcome to today's yoga flow. Today we're going to do a quick hip opening yoga flow, so let's get to it. So when you're ready, come to sit on your mat with your legs cross-legged. Close down your eyes, bring your hands to rest on your knees with your palms facing up towards the sky. Begin to relax your shoulders. Begin to breathe in and out through your nose. Bringing your inhale even in length with your exhale. Grounding your bum to the earth here. Imagine your head is being drawn up towards the sky, creating a straight spine. Relax your shoulders, relax your jaw. Taking a moment here to arrive on your mat. And when you're ready, bringing your feet to touch. You can see how high my knees are up off the ground at the moment, but we're going to pulse our knees up and down, opening up our inner thigh muscles here, just stretching them out because they're connected to our hip joints, which tightens our hips. Pulsing up and down. Continue to breathe in and out through your nose. Maybe close down your eyes while you're pulsing your legs up and down and relaxing. And when you're ready, drawing your knees down towards the mat, holding it here for a few breaths. Inhale. And on every exhale, you can try push your knees down further onto the mat if you can. But just doing what feels comfortable for you, listening to your body. Trying to distinguish between pain and discomfort. If it's pain, you don't force it as much. If it's discomfort you're feeling, you can push it. When you're ready, releasing. So bringing your feet onto the mat, your knees are bent here. Rolling your knees over to the left hand side and then the right, the left and then the right. Repeating this a few more times, just flowing with your breath. Noticing how good it feels in your hips. And when you're ready, coming over to the left hand side, bring your left leg into a 90-degree angle, the right leg comes into a 90-degree angle. Planting your hands down here and holding it. Taking 3 breaths. If you want, you can come down onto your forearms to deepen the stretch. Breathing in and out through your nose. When you're ready on your next inhale, coming back up to center, rolling over to the right hand side this time. Bring that right leg into a 90-degree angle. The left leg is in a 90-degree angle, holding it here. Breathing. And again, coming down on your forearms if you want to deepen the stretch. you're ready, coming back up to center, coming onto your knees and your hands. So bring your wrists in line with your shoulders, your knees in line with your hips. Bringing your right leg out into a fire hydrant, coming around in circular motions. Imagine you're drawing a circle with your knee. Coming around in one direction, breathing in and out through your nose. Noticing how good it feels, warming up your hip joint here. This pose helps create synovial fluid in the hip joint, so it's like egg white fluid that makes us be able, that helps us be more flexible. And then coming around in the opposite direction, breathing. And when you're ready, bend that right leg into a fire hydrant, straighten out that right leg, planting it to the side and lowering down onto your forearms here, coming into a nice stretch, feeling it in your inner thigh mostly. Maybe pulsing up and back, just noticing how it feels in your body. Breathing in and out through your nose. Noticing where you're feeling the stretch. And when you're ready, bringing that right leg back in and down onto the mat. This time bringing that left leg out into a fire hydrant, coming around in one direction in circular motions. Noticing how it feels in the hip joint. And then maybe coming around in the opposite direction. And then when you're ready, coming out into a fire hydrant, dropping that left foot down, coming down onto your forearms, maybe pulsing up and back, noticing how it feels. Notice where you're feeling the stretch. Breathe in. And then when you're ready, coming back to center, tuck your toes, lift your knees, push back into your downward facing dog, pedal out for a breath here. And when you're ready, walking your hands up to meet your feet. Inhale, halfway lift, flat back. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, coming all the way up to standing vertebra by vertebra. Your head comes up last. Come to the center of your mat. Bring your feet as wide as the mat. Bring your hands to your hips. And on your exhale, we're going to lower down, coming halfway, and inhale back up. Exhale to lower. Inhale to come back up. Exhale to lower. Inhale, come back up. Exhale to lower. Inhale, come back up. Exhale to lower. Inhale, come back up. Exhale to lower. Inhale to come back up. Repeating this a few times, keeping your spine in a neutral position, so keeping it straight at all times. Breathe in, just flowing with your breath. Feeling this mostly in your hamstrings. And when you're ready, coming back to center, bring your feet back in to meet each other and lowering down onto your toes, coming to sit onto your bum. Bring your feet out in front of you. Bend that left leg, bring that right foot over the left. Bring your arms behind you, plant your hands down on the ground. Make sure your spine is straight. And just breathe in here. Getting a nice stretch in your reverse pigeon. To deepen the stretch, you can draw your chest towards your leg, but keeping your back nice and straight. And when you're ready, releasing that right leg, this time bending that left leg over the right, drawing your chest in towards your legs, breathe in here, keeping a straight spine, feeling this stretch in your glute muscle. Our hamstring, our glute muscle, all of these are connected to our hip joints, so we need to stretch these. And when you're ready, releasing that left leg, coming down to lie on your back. Bring your feet into your knee. Bring your knees into your chest. Grab your feet, the soles of your feet. Draw your knees down onto the mat. Breathe in here, inhale. And exhale. Drawing your feet down towards the mat. On every exhale, releasing any tension you may be feeling in your hip joints. Maybe rocking from side to side. Getting a nice lower back massage also. And when you're ready, exhale, releasing your legs, extending them on the mat. Extend your arms alongside your body, bring your palms facing up towards the sky. And just release any controlled breath you may have had, just allowing your body to breathe freely here. Tuning into the body, noticing how it feels. Noticing the energy circulating your body. Tuning in and noticing how you feel. Taking this time for you, and you only have nowhere to go, nowhere to be, than to just be present in this moment. when you're ready, slowly coming up. So staying here for as long as you want. Slowly opening your eyes. Thank you so much for joining me today. I really appreciate it. Please like and subscribe. It'll help my channel grow more than you know. I hope you enjoyed this flow, and if you'd like to see something different on my channel, please drop a comment below and let me know what you'd like to see. Thank you. Namaste.